y'all, welcome back to Anna Grows. So today I got my helper here, Lele. So we're going to be planting the string beans and the potatoes. But hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all, I think the tomato plant is dying. It looks like it's dying to me. I don't understand why it's so droopy. Oh, look at this one. And this one's I didn't see that one. I don't know. I don't know. At first I thought maybe it wasn't getting that much sunlight when I had it right here. So then I put it back on the table so it can be, you know, in a lot of sunlight. And it's just doing this. Like, I don't know. My daughter's thinking that it should just be repotted. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I can show y'all how this right here is the bell pepper and the banana peppers. And so I'm gonna water this really good today. What is that? Yeah. And then the lemon tree, I'm going to water this really good too today. I don't know how to tell if it's doing good or not, to be honest.
I think it is.
I mean, like, I don't know why I thought like those flowers were more open. See that? I don't know. Maybe that's just telling me I need to water it.
Maybe.
Yeah. I need to cut those,
Because like my plant in the house, I had to tell if it needs to be watered. If, well, this is really dry time. That's what you
uh-oh. And I know, yeah, these...
too moist if you put your finger in there. And
yeah.
It smudges all over you.
Okay. And I know these got to get potted, so... yeah, because these leaves weren't looking like this in the beginning. So, yeah, we're definitely going to take those out today and plant those. So, yeah, that's what we're about to get into today. But, yeah, that tomato plant is looking sad. Like, really sad. So, yeah, the string beans will go in there. The potatoes. Oh, no, I got cucumbers. So why? I feel like I'm missing. So what was going to go in there? Oh, I know.
It's that being right there too.
1, 2. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try to get to today. Hopefully we can get that done before it gets dark. So yeah, go ahead and get the soil mixed up like y'all seen me do before. Now with the cucumbers, I got. Is it cucumbers? I think it's for the cucumbers. I go back and watch the video. But I got the Dolomite lime for those because they say that's good to mix in the soil for cucumbers. So, yeah. So got that. So I'll mix that up in the soil and stuff. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get to this. Like I said, so it won't get too dark. So I'm going to go ahead and set up. And we'll get to this. Oh gosh, that's what I keep hearing all day. I think they have a nest or something up there. Okay. But,
look at the bird. Oh, look.
No?
Where did we do that?
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh no. Big behind hands.
Yeah, I think you know why we need to.
They might spray some more. I don't got time for them to cut my stuff. That's a bit behind wall. No, I need some wall spray. Just trying to find, I think they built a nest or something in there because I kept hearing them that day I was out here. It's like they built it.
Yep, I hear it here too. Every time I come out here.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, what we're gonna do, this is what I do. This one. So I measure it out.
Okay, I'm actually gonna put some short measurements.
Okay.
find out how we can get that.
Exactly. Because I'm trying to get here. Here. Zap it to the boy.
So look, it's gonna be a little bit closer. So you get like 75. So it's a little bit above here. Keep going. That's it. Just
Because then there's another part that's come over here.
yeah, so you pass that line.
How little that is? Alright, so then that's going to get you to just a little bit, more. I don't want all that filling.
I know. I could. Perfect.
Yep. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put that first batch in here. All right. Matter of fact, you can give me those buckets. Yeah. Thank you. You mix that up.
And perlite is a fertilizer.
Oh, wait a minute.
And what does fertilizer do?
Did he say it's good? Oh no. I put the fertilizer on top. I put it. I sprinkled this one. Handful here. Do your handful.
Gonna drop these.
Nah.
Let's try it. Right?
It's a plant food.
Oh, okay. I need to buy some plant food on my
Yeah, I say plant.
indoor plant.
Oh.
Because I know what plant food to get. I just gotta buy it from Amazon. You order it for me? Yeah. Oh, I don't know what to name my plant. I normally don't be thinking of like kind of
Okay.
names. So. I need a little bit more.
Well, we're gonna. You just mix it because we're gonna word it again once we get in here. Want me to do it now?
Perfect time to do it because it was too hot out here.
Oh yeah. Pour the rest of that out.
No, not yet.
You know what? Okay, go ahead.
I put it in. Oh, I'm parched.
Okay, let me do this part or.
Oh, you can go ahead and mix it with that.
Big thing for just those 2 points.
I know, right? A lot.
Oh, it's fine. We're gonna worry more
I'll use this.
once we get them in.
Probably should water our plants twice a week.
Yeah, I was thinking about Sundays and Wednesdays.
Right.
No, Sundays to help me. Friday we got too much going on. Too many buildings. I'm gonna forget. Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
I get what you're
Well, cause I gotta spray. I gotta sprinkle this on there. So
saying. Oh, it's about to break. It's about to break.
where?
See that crack?
Okay. Can you dig a hole where we should put this one at?
Okay.
Like, I don't know, put one on here, one over here, maybe. Ribbon cover.
Your shuffle water down
Baby girl, it's gonna get water because once we do put it all in here, it's going to. That's why we wet the soil first. Oh, careful. Okay. Now you dig the other one. So I can put the other one in. Or do you want to do that one?
there? Yeah, you can do it.
Okay. And I'm keeping these cups. I should have kept my other ones. Because if I want to grow something cheap, I can use those. Hold on. Do it once you get them both in. This looks a little
Uneven.
right. Is it me or?
Come on, don't try to fix it.
Girl, you know how I am.
Mom,
Okay, I just gotta be gentle. I just gotta be gentle.
it's already broken up. Yeah, that plant seemed to be growing pretty nicely.
Which one?
Those light green.
I know, right? I kind of thought that. I didn't know if it was just in my mind. But, okay, she gotta put.
Yeah, because I can actually get it at this angle, and then once it grows taller, we can see if it's past the,
Okay. Okay. So.
oh, you broke it.
What?
One of the wood pieces.
Where? Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I came like that. That's what I told Dad. plant. But yeah, I think this is definitely doing good because the flower wasn't on this at first. All right, y'all. So we only was able to plant the string beans. I be over what's the word? Over enthused, I guess. Over enthused of what we can actually get done. But it is starting to get dark, so we went ahead and planted the 2 string beans. Lele, the keys, baby, the keys. The 2 string bean plants. Planted those, gave it a good watering, as well as the peppers. Just gave that a good watering, and then the tomatoes and the lemon tree. So yeah, so that bin would be for when we're gonna do the potatoes, and then another bin is gonna be for when we do the string beans. So we obviously will come back and do a video of that. So today again we was only able to tackle planting the string beans. So yeah, we will see this progress, see how everything goes, and yeah, I will catch y'all on my next video. Bye y'all.